the same composition altogether, as distinct from ensemble, where they each play their own part. So, the Harvest Dance is a rhythmic and lively piece that depicts the harvest season. It's written in the key of A minor, and one of the things about the extension course is that we really get into the feel of different keys and how each key has its own expression to offer. In this piece, appropriately called Harvest Dance, the vegetables are all dancing. We've got capsicums and radishes and potatoes and cabbage. I remember my class loved the carrots. So they're all happily dancing throughout, and the piece has lots of articulation, bright staccato to add character. Constance writes, this class of 5 students are very keen to learn everything in class, and they hope to do a great job today performing for you. Let's make them welcome. Thanks, Constance. Thanks, children. That was